Yesterday, I had you write down your thesis with 3 supports for the night essay. So here, I have the same thing. Now, this is not one of your options. I just thought, so no one would copy me. I have this. Now, I'm not here today, but you should still be able to do this. What you then have to do is go through your points. So basically you have to divide this into 3 different paragraphs. Pretty easy to do. For instance, this copy paste is my first point. And then copy paste is my second point, and copy paste is my third point. Now, because you are not freshmen, you got to make it a little bit better. What I mean is, this is going to be a 2-page essay, which means I don't want to read the exact same wording 5 or 6 times. I have, in night, Ellie's ideas change about. In night, Ellie's ideas change about. In night, Ellie's ideas change about. In night, and then you're going to do the same thing in the conclusion? No. So, you speak English, just reword it a little bit. About and then maybe this one. And on the last one, see what I mean? I'm saying the same thing. I'm just using different words. I don't want to read, and you don't want to write, the same exact thing every single time. Now, that's easy. Once that's done, you got to go find some evidence. You got to look through the book. Now, I highly recommend you have 3 quotes. You probably only need 2 in your paper, because again, it's got to be a 2-page paper. You probably only need 2, but generally speaking, the first one you find you like, the second one you find you just kind of stumble over, it doesn't really fit, and then the third one you find is really good. That's generally what happens. So go through the book, fill in every single one of these. This is the most time-consuming part. This is going to take you a couple seconds. This is going to take you 45 minutes to find 9 quotes. So, get going on that. And once all that's done, if you have time today, start working on the explanation of your quote. Meaning, why does that quote prove point number 1? When you have 2 quotes, how does each quote prove point number 1? Sometimes the quotes go together, sometimes they don't. Also, make sure you put a page number in each one of your quotes. You're going to have to use those later.